Welcome to a new video from Fikra POS.
Now we will explain the list of items and how to add them. We first launch our browser. Then register the program link and log in. We click on Items through the console, then click on Add Items. The Add Item page will appear before us, with all its fields, the most important of which is choosing the item type. Type of item: it is either warehouse, i.e. an item that is placed in the warehouse and sold as is, and the buying and selling process affects the quantity of inventory. Assembled item, that is, many items but not sold individually, but rather combined to become a single product that is sold, such as a computer. Service class, any service that is provided, not a product that is sold. Then we write the name of the item in the first language and in the second language, then keep the barcode for the item, or change the barcode using this button, or also write any barcode you want to write. Or you can also take a photo and upload an image containing the barcode to be attached to this product. There are also some additional fields. Then we select the main section, then the brand, and then the subsection as well. Then choose the unit for the category, and the unit for buying, and the unit for selling. Then we write the purchase cost, and then the selling cost. The profit value will appear here. Determine the type of tax and how it is calculated. Then write the number that we want the system to send us an alert if the stock quantity of this item reaches this number. Upload a picture of the item or several photos of the item, if there is a photo catalog for this item. Then we find two fields for notes. The first is notes for the item and is only for program employees and does not appear on the invoice. The second field is notes that we want to print on the invoice. On the right side, we find additional options, such as item variables such as colors or sizes. By clicking on variables and clicking here, we determine the additional cost for this variable. Then this option to determine the cost of each unit, if you buy and sell wholesale or retail. This part will be explained in a separate video. You also write the opening balance for this item and its cost, its purchase cost. Then from here you also choose the recommended varieties or alternative varieties. Determine whether this item is recommended, that is, it is shown to the employee during the sale of the basic item to be shown to the customer, or an alternate item to also be visible to the employee. If the basic item to be purchased is sold out, the alternative item will appear for the employee to be shown to the customer, or be a recommended and alternative class at the same time. Also, this option is for resources by selecting the resource and specifying its own code and price. This is in the event that this main item that we are adding has been purchased or is purchased from more than one supplier and at more than one price. Finally, we click on Add Items. We will be automatically transferred to the list of items. Now all the items on the system appear in front of us with all their details. One of them can be viewed by clicking on it and seeing all the details of the row. You can also see in the table the pictures and codes for the items, the name as well as the brand, the main section, the purchase cost and the selling cost, the inventory quantity, the item unit, and also an alert on the inventory quantity. To the left of the item, there is an Actions button, and it has several options such as details or modification, or printing the item barcode, or viewing and deleting the image, and also deleting the item. There is also a Reports button at the top, and it has some options such as adding a new item, updating the price, printing a barcode, synchronizing the process, and also exporting to an Excel file.
Finally, do not forget to share it with your team. See you soon with a new feature from Fikra POS.